The police of Bishalgarh police station seized two bikes of drug dealers on Tuesday at Bishalgarh Bypass National Highway. Police has taken an inquiry over this incident. Bishalgarh police received a secret information regarding the drug dealers were about to sell some bikes at Bishalgarh Bypass Road. Accordingly, the police reached the location and seized two bikes number TR01Q8828 and TR01AL7910 and taken to Bishalgarh police station. However, drug dealers fled from the spot before the police could reach. The police are now further investigating the incident. Reported by Jivan from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.